right, first up on the show then, you've got the fintech startup IppoPay that has raised funding from Carrot Lane founder Mithun Sacheti as well as the Jaipur Gems CEO. Let's understand a little bit more about their long-term game plan. We've got Mohan K, who is the co-founder of the company, now joining in. Thanks so much for taking time out. Give us some more details about this fundraise. What exactly will it be utilized towards? Can you divulge any details in terms of the quantum of funds that have been infused?
We use this fund to provide exit one of our early investor client base. We believe this is a serious validation to our business model as well as the space in general. We have a lot of respect for Mithun, what he built in Carrot Lane. We believe that there are a lot of benefit that Mithun is going to bring to us. I personally very excited, very happy that I'm going to learn a lot from Mithun, and we are all very happy that we have Mithun in our capital.
So what are your future expansion plans? How do you really want to integrate this use of funds?
Okay, so we are a merchant-focused company. We want to build a nice, smooth technology for our merchants. Okay, because we mainly serve in tier 2, tier 3, and rural area to help them pay and accept seamlessly, borrow whenever they need. We are focusing to give their credits within hour. That's our main focus. On the short-term basis, we are targeting to expand to south, beyond south to east. Another thing, we can comfortably get our FY26 number without any further fundraise.
Any strategies that you guys are adopting to help MSMEs open current account and facilitate fund transfers? And how do you plan to differentiate your services from that of established banks that exist?
Okay, so banks are ultimate custodian of trust, including those merchants. Okay, we don't want to compete with the bank, but we want to create a best or good distribution channel to our merchants. In case however, several merchant are extremely small, hence it will be very tough for such a large institution like bank to go to for the last mile. Okay, we want to create a channel where our FSs, the field sale executives, go to the merchant place, open up a current account with the complete KYC, whatever the banks are required, to give them current account and IppoPay co-branded card along with the QR code. Okay, so we have no plan to compete or anything differentiate from the bank side. We want to create a best distribution channel to the last mile.
And what is the recent TPAP approval from the NPCI mean for IppoPay? How does this really enhance your service offerings, especially in the UPI payments place?
So this will improve the trust because we are part of their entire financial journey. And we will be the merchant-focused TPAP provider. We are going to offer a pay option to our merchant, to another merchant. If you see that most of our merchants, whoever do their business in tier 4, they come to whoever doing a business in tier 4, they are coming to tier 3 to buy a raw material, right? So we want to handle those payments. So merchant to merchant payments. And we will also able to offer credit line on UPI, RuPay credit on UPI now to merchants on the banks to bank. Okay, so we will able to improve the merchant engagement significantly because now we have option to collect the payment. We are going to offer a solution using the TPAP to make payment to another merchant. That means the complete end-to-end financial transactions going to within IppoPay.
And which regions are you looking to focus on going forward?
Okay, so if you see, we are very active on Tamil Nadu market right now. Okay, in terms of UPI, on the short-term basis, we want to go to South India. Okay, because I strongly believe that every state have their own style of business and the culture. We want to go to state by state, go to the state, understand the real problem, and give them a full stack solution. So the idea is to focus South India for next 2 years. Then we will, go to the entire pan India.
Thank you so much for joining in. Good to have you on board.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.